Charlie, what the heck are you doing out here? You don't know how to work on cars.
It's okay, I'll wait on him to get under that tire and just lower it a little. Only a little.
That's mean. Jazzy. Hi.
It's Daddy.
It's Daddy's phone, yeah.
Alright. Trying to find a good position here. Before we finish our cardboard cutout for the cross member. Don't know if you can tell now or not, but that's for the most part flat, and now we'll finish cutting out our cardboard piece, and whenever we go to make the cross member, we'll weld another piece of sheet metal to the other side and bolt it through to make it stronger. I've taken my my piece of cardboard and put some scores in the metal, and now it's time to cut it, and then we may do some welding. We're back up under the car and got this bar cut out, and there's a little bit of space on either end, and it should be perfect to give me space for the 1/8 inch sheet metal that we're using. This cut, I've got both of these cut, I've got them cleaned off a little bit for a good surface to weld to, and then only thing I gotta do is get it center and tack weld it together and go make sure it all fits and weld it together. Got that completely welded. I already went ahead and I scuffed it up with some sandpaper, and already test fitted a couple times with some tack welds after it's completely welded. I just want to make sure it is going to fit good, which it looks like it's going to. And then as you can probably see, I hammered that to perfection earlier, and it should do just fine. Only other thing I got left to do is I'm gonna put this up under here with a jack to hold it in place, reach down through the shifter hole with a paint pen and put some marks for the holes that I need to drill on it, and then put bolts up through it, and we're done. The transmission cross member is made, holes drilled, and bolted into place. Only thing I got left to do is drill holes where it's supposed to go and get it bolted up.